Spectrum TV app buffering happens when the app can't download video data fast enough to play smoothly. This frustration comes from network congestion, outdated app versions, or regional infrastructure issues. Start by testing your internet speed using the Spectrum TV app's built-in test or tools like Ookla Speed Test. Spectrum recommends at least 25 Mbps for HD streaming and 100 Mbps for 4K content. If speeds are below these thresholds, that's likely the main cause. Next, update your Spectrum TV app to the latest version 25.3.1, which includes adaptive bitrate streaming technology. This automatically adjusts video quality to match your connection speed, potentially reducing buffering by up to 40%. If buffering continues, especially during peak hours, the next step involves DNS configuration. If a speed test shows adequate speed and the app is updated, the next step is to address your DNS settings. A slow or unreliable DNS can delay app connections, contributing to buffering. DNS translates domain names into IP addresses. Change to faster public DNS like Google Public DNS or Cloudflare to bypass ISP defaults. Change your device's DNS server settings to Google Public DNS or Cloudflare. This can improve connection speeds. Finally, if buffering continues, manually adjust the bitrate settings within the Spectrum TV app. Lowering the bitrate reduces the amount of data required for streaming. While this might slightly reduce video quality, it can significantly improve stability, especially on weaker connections. As a last resort, try clearing the app's cache and ensure your streaming device's firmware is up to date. For wired connections, Ethernet is preferable over Wi-Fi for less latency.